Ever felt like your schedule was a wild, untamed beast? Like you're constantly juggling appointments, calls, and meetings, and somehow things are still slipping through the cracks? Or maybe you're a business owner, a freelancer, or anyone who relies on bookings, and you're tired of the back-and-forth emails, the missed calls, the "Are you free on Tuesday?" chaos? You're nodding, aren't you? Yeah, me too. We've all been there. It's like trying to herd cats, but with time slots. Now imagine this. A world where clients book with you in seconds, where your schedule is perfectly organized, and where you reclaim hours of your precious time. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's the reality of using a booking link, and today we're going to dive deep into how you can create one using Square. But before we get to the how, let's talk about the why. Why is a booking link so powerful? Think about it. In today's fast-paced digital world, convenience is king. People want instant gratification, instant solutions. They don't want to wait for email replies or play phone tag. They want to click, book, and move on with their day. And that's where a booking link shines. It's a direct portal to your availability, a seamless way for clients to schedule appointments without any hassle. It's like having a 24/7 personal assistant, but without the salary. Let's put this into context. Imagine you're a hairstylist. You're busy, your hands are full, and you can't always answer the phone. A booking link on your Instagram profile or website allows clients to see your available slots and book their appointments directly, anytime, day or night. You get booked, they get their hair done, everyone wins. Or maybe you're a consultant. You offer coaching sessions, and you're tired of manually managing your calendar. A booking link allows you to share your availability with clients, letting them choose a time that works for them. No more endless email threads, no more double bookings. Or even if you are a small business owner offering classes, or a massage therapist, the need to streamline the booking process is universal. So we've established the why. Now, let's get to the how. How do you get your hands on this magical booking link using Square? First things first, you'll need a Square account. If you don't have one already, head over to Square's website and sign up. It's a straightforward process, and you'll be up and running in no time. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Appointments section. This is your command center for all things booking related. If you haven't yet set up appointments, you will be prompted to do so. This includes setting your business hours, services offered, and your team members if applicable. After you've set up your services and team, you'll see an option to create a booking site or a booking link. Square offers both, and they serve slightly different purposes. A booking site is a dedicated web page where clients can browse your services and book appointments. A booking link is a direct URL that you can share with clients via email, social media, or your website. For our purposes, we're focusing on the booking link. To create one, you'll typically find a share link or similar button within the appointment settings. Clicking on this will generate a unique URL that you can copy and paste. Now, here's where things get interesting. You can customize your booking link to suit your needs. For example, you can choose which services are available through the link, or you can create links for specific team members. Let's say you're a personal trainer and you offer different types of training sessions. You can create separate booking links for each session, allowing clients to book exactly what they need. This level of customization is incredibly powerful, and it allows you to tailor your booking process to your specific business. Another useful feature is the ability to embed your booking link into your website. This allows clients to book appointments directly from your site, creating a seamless and professional experience. And don't forget about social media. You can share your booking link on your Instagram bio, your Facebook page, or your Twitter feed. This allows you to reach a wider audience and drive more bookings. But it's not just about creating a link. It's about optimizing it for conversions. Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of your Square booking link. Make it easy to find. Place your booking link in prominent locations, such as your website's homepage, your social media bios, and your email signature. Use clear and concise language. When sharing your link, use clear and concise language that tells clients exactly what they can expect. For example, instead of saying, "Book now," try "Schedule your free consultation," or "Book your hair appointment today." Optimize for mobile. Ensure that your booking link and booking site are mobile-friendly. A large portion of bookings happen on mobile devices, so this is crucial. Use high-quality images. If you're using a booking site, use high-quality images of your services and your team. This will help create a professional and inviting experience. Offer incentives. Consider offering incentives for booking through your link, such as discounts or special offers. This can help drive more bookings. Use Square's email marketing tools. Square allows you to send out email marketing campaigns. Use these campaigns to drive traffic to your booking link. Utilize Square's SMS marketing tools. Similarly, send out text messages to clients linking directly to your booking site. Keep it simple. The less clicks required, the better. Make the booking process as smooth as possible. Track performance. Square provides analytics tools that allow you to track the performance of your booking link. Use these tools to identify areas for improvement. And remember, the beauty of Square is its integration. Once a client books an appointment, it automatically syncs with your Square calendar. You'll receive notifications, and you can manage your appointments directly from your Square dashboard. You can also set automated reminders, reducing no-shows and ensuring that clients arrive on time. This is a game changer for busy professionals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.